Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine number 1 sin A cos A, number 2 sin C cos C. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, it is being mentioned like in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine number 1 sin A cos A, then number 2 sin C cos C. Now let us draw the diagram. I have already drawn this diagram, and as per the question, it is like a triangle ABC and right angled at B. So you could see that it is right angled at B, and AB is equal to 24 cm, AB is equal to 24 cm, and BC is equal to 7 cm. So guys, our first job here, before moving ahead, let us first apply the Pythagoras theorem and find out the value of this AC. So guys, we very well know that AC square, applying the Pythagoras theorem, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Or I can write AC square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. Or I can write AC square is equal to 24 square. So 24 square is nothing but 576 plus 49. Or I can say AC square is equal to 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. Therefore, AC is equal to root over of 625, that is equal to 25 is 625. So we got the value of AC as 25 centimeter. So let me write it 25 here, 25 centimeter. Now guys, with all the values in hand, let us move ahead and find the value of sin A cos A as per bit 1. Okay, now it is asking us value of sin A comma cos A. Okay, we very well know that sin A is equal to, here sin A is equal to the angle opposite to the side opposite to angle A. Okay, so that is BC upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here is AC. So that is equal to BC is 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So therefore we got sin A is equal to 7 by 25. This is one part, guys. So we are able to find out the value of sin A as 7 by 25. Now similarly cos A is equal to adjacent side to angle A, that is AB, by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So that is equal to 24, AB is 24 by 25. So here we are able to find out the value of cos A as is equal to 24 by 25. Now, as per the second part, it is given like we need to find out the value of sin C and cos C. So here we got one as this one and the other one as this one. Now let us move ahead to the part 2. Part 2 is written like sin C into cos C. Okay, sin C, let's see, sin C comma cos C. So guys, we need to be very careful here in determining the C, and here we need to focus on angle C. Initially our focus was on angle A. Now our focus will be on angle C, that means here. Okay guys, now let us see sin C. We very well know that sin C is equal to the side opposite to the angle C. That means here the side opposite to angle C becomes this one. you could see how the sides changed with the change in the angle. So sin C is equal to the side opposite to angle C, that is AB, by hypotenuse AC, that is equal to 24 by 25. Therefore sin C is equal to 24 by 25. Similarly, cos C is equal to adjacent side to angle C. So adjacent side here is BC upon hypotenuse is AC, so that is equal to BC here is 7 and hypotenuse here is 25. Therefore cos C is equal to 7 by 25. Guys, you could see that we are able to extract the values of sin C as 24 by 25 and cos C as 7 by 25. And you could see that how the values changed. We got sin A as 7 by 25, sin C as 24 by 25, cos A is equal to 24 by 25 and cos C is equal to 7 by 25. Guys, we need to be very careful while answering this type of questions. Our focus should always be to which angle it is, the question is asking for which angle. Once we find out that one, then definitely our questions or our answers will be very easy. Hope guys you are able to understand this calculation, but still if you have any questions or concerns, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.